Everyone, there are when we need logo for our demo project for Behance or Dribble. But in that case, if we searching logo in various website, then I think that will be a reason for kill our time. So in that case, I think this plugin is very helpful for you. The plugin name is Vector Logos. When you click this plugin is will be loading in your Figma. So this is the plugin. So if you are looking for Figma logo, so just type Figma and just hit enter or just click the search option, and here you see all the Figma logos variation. And if you are looking for YouTube logo, then just click YouTube. Just type the YouTube word and click here YouTube. You can find any type of logo from this plugin. Like I'm writing LinkedIn. Okay, let's see. Okay, here is the LinkedIn logo. Any type of logo or any famous brand logo you can find from this plugin. So I think this plugin is very time saver for logo searching. So that's all about our today's video. If you like my video, then please hit the subscribe button and feel free to share your feedback so that I can improve my video quality in future. So thank you very much.